I think it started. Can you please check it?
Can you send me the video? No, link.
Oh man. So I think we need to share only the Discord window, right?
Yeah. We don't need to share any other window, so you can just select the Discord.
Display window capture.
Do you have any guest?
Show full screen. So where is Discord? Okay. Just let me check. Just a second. Just let me check. But the screen is not visible. I have sent. But the screen is not visible. What's that? Yeah, it's from the timer.
We can see ourselves. Maybe you need to change the window. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's visible. Yeah.
I think you have to do the intro.
So it's
Is
working.
anyone watching our live? Is anyone watching our live? Live.
So we should be. Just a second. Show full screen. So we should be. Just a second. Show full screen. So we should be. Discord. Just a second. So non-video participants.
How many people are watching? How many people are watching?
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah. So
No,
yeah,
I can see. Oh, okay. Now
let's
it's
start. Let me share the link to
into room.
Shabib. What do you think?
No,
Eh?
maybe he gonna send that link to the group.
So what?
No,
No?
that's not a good. No, it's not a recorded, so it's not a good. Right.
Okay.
Did you watch that unnecessary interview with the airship podcast?
No, no. I haven't watched it full.
Yeah,
So
he said he does not bring any of his family members when he playing on the ground because he doesn't get any confidence. You know,
yeah.
when you,
So for some people it's vice versa. So they
yeah,
might
for
get
me, I think
for you.
if none of the person is watching me or like I get full confidence. You know.
For me, sometime if they are and like boosting our confidence, then I will be very confident.
I
Mm.
think everybody, I think not everybody gonna boost your confidence. They're gonna judge you, maybe mock you. So that is important.
So let's start with the topic.
Yeah. How many people are watching? Is there anyone watching?
How do people watch without sharing?
No, there's two people are watching. I think one person is me
I'm
and
not
one is
watching.
you.
I'm not watching it.
So someone is watching.
So let's come to the topic. So my question is, so, so
No, people, no, look at the chat who is watching.
who is watching? Let me check it.
Look at the,
Uh,
look at the chat. You should invite him.
not big fan. Shabib is watching the stream. Yeah.
Come on, bro, join our live.
So
Maybe that's what I told you. When there's somebody we know.
come to our point. So SpaceX is basically doing
No,
things
you didn't do
to
any intro.
bring the people to the Mars. But the question is it really possible for humans to live on Mars? What do you think? So according to our finding, so there is mostly there is carbon dioxide more than oxygen.
Yeah.
So how do so we can assume that like people have to use every time oxygen cylinder with them, right?
No, that's not the only thing we preventing us to go to Mars. The atmosphere is very thinner compared to the Earth. So if you just step out of your suit,
Come on.
look at
Yeah, come on, come on.
Oh my God. Yeah.
So
So, so first of all, the gravity. The gravity is 30% of the Earth gravity. So,
that means it's lesser, right?
yeah, it's lesser. So, uh, maybe
People will begin to fly.
not gonna fly
Not.
when you compare to moon. Yeah,
Oh.
I think we got ban on our chat. And the bond density and as well as
So
uh,
people who are watching can also participate in our live. So you can ask question. We can discuss. Uh,
maybe we can invite him if you want. We can invite our friends.
maybe next time.
Maybe next time. Okay. Up to you.
Then, so
The atmosphere pressure is the biggest challenge that human, preventing us to go to the Mars. So the boiling rate on the Mars is the boiling rate of the water is like close to less than our body temperature. So if we just gonna step out on the surface, our body gonna like start to boil.
so how SpaceX is planning to uh,
Plan to go to Mars.
yeah.
I don't know how exactly they're doing. I mean, planning to colonize the Mars, but I think maybe they expect everybody walk every time using suitcase.
Oh,
Why did you mute yourself?
okay. So that's the thing, right? So how long we can expect? Suppose after how many years you are expecting to be people on Mars?
NASA expecting NASA can put human on Mars, 2030, closer to 2030, but spaces may do that sooner. I think you watched the Falcon
Yeah,
boost. That's really mind blowing.
and also so people are going there. Suppose people are going there. Okay, so what's the benefits we are getting by living there?
That's a really
Or
interesting
people are
question.
just want to go there for just curiosity. What do you think?
Actually, I never thought about that. That's a really good question. Why are we even going to Mars when we
Yeah,
have a beautiful planet?
planets here, oxygen is here, everything is here, and
Yeah,
maybe people always want to like explore
yeah.
the
I think
unseen areas.
maybe, yeah, maybe human want to explore like other planets, our solar system. Maybe human wants to be multiplanetary species.
Okay,
So, what do you think? What do you think that people wants to explore the Mars?
maybe so. According to our current situation, day by day population is increasing, so we can expand our human civilization to Mars also. So it can reduce the overpopulation in the Earth. What do you think?
I mean, that's not a solution. I mean, the challenges we have to face on the Mars. That first of all, the Mars doesn't have any. How do we say that? I forget the word. That we call the ozone
Ozone layer.
layer. No, it's not an ozone layer. Electromagnetic field. Yeah, I
Yeah.
forget that. Yeah, Mars doesn't have an electromagnetic field, so Mars surface is more exposed to radiation when compared to Earth. It has a Mars cannot protect human from cosmic radiation and solar wind. So we cannot actually live on, and the the Mars soil is like a poison. We cannot grow any tree or tree or anything. But the hope is the Mars have water. It's so north and south pole in the form of ice. Maybe we can melt the ice and we can mm, fill.
So
What do you think about the
I was,
bomb?
I was laughing by seeing the comments.
No, I want people to ask about question related to Mars, not related to Air India. We are not talking about it.
And what about the other things? So, as a human being, we need food, water, everything there.
Yeah, we
So,
can grow food. It is
yeah,
possible.
yeah, I think there is a lot of kind of technologies to
Yeah.
grow plants in such a atmosphere.
Yeah, we grow uh, trees on our in International Space Station, so it is possible to grow.
And what?
But yeah, what were you saying?
So, we have to build a sustainable habitats there, right?
Yes.
So, is it possible? That's what I am thinking.
It is better not to look at the comments.
Yeah. Also, I think people will also face some psychological problems, because there is no, we can't live like as we live in Earth. So there will be no like a connected, correlated atmosphere. People will be very
Yeah, exactly.
isolated. That's what I'm thinking.
They are psychological,
And
mental
also, I
stress.
think the low gravity is not good for our health also for long time.
It is not good for our body. Maybe not good for our bone.
What?
We gonna be a little taller if we live on Mars.
And lot of infrastructures are needed, the like hospital, uh, for the travel and everything.
Maybe it gonna take a lot of years. Or we cannot say it's not a possible.
I think Shabi want to join our live. If you
Yeah,
are,
let's invite
if
him.
you are interested, you can.
Yeah, you can join our live if you want. If you want. Just one person is watching the live. I think I'm the only one watching the live. No, nobody's watching our live.
Okay.
So, so what are the challenges would human face on Martian surface? What do you think?
One of the challenges is psychological one, and uh, the availability of food and water there.
I think we can solve the availability of
And
food and water.
also the travel is, from the Earth, crores of rupees, dollars are needed for just a travel. So there gonna also be a problem.
I was asking about human challenges would face on Martian surface.
Mars surface.
I
So
think the first one is the extreme temperature.
temperature, the gravity, and
Yeah.
the lack of oxygen and all.
Yes, lack of oxygen, but we can technically make oxygen on the Mars.
What I'm thinking is, so people will only go there for just kind of picnic, just for exploration, not going to live for long.
Leave.
Yeah,
Maybe it can be tourist destination. That is
yeah,
possible.
kind of.
that if a billionaire or millionaire or rich people wants to explore, I mean, what do you think about people
And
who doesn't
also
have money?
safety wise, it's kind of fearing. Like, previously some rich people had went to see the Titanic, parts of Titanic, to the deep sea, and many of them were disappeared. Have you heard about it?
I mean, Titan or Titanic?
Titanic
Titanic ship.
ship. So they went to the deep sea, and many of the people got disappeared.
Yeah, I think everybody knows about
Yeah.
Titanic.
So this kind of things will be here also.
I think first many travel would only be conducted by the astronauts. It's not gonna be normal people. The astronauts gonna go there and they do some research. And there are a lot of mountains. We can technically drill the mountains and live inside that.
Yeah. So
And the food, how we get food and water on Mars. What are the possible ways we can get food?
like you said before, we can grow there, plant there the uh, plants on space station.
I think I got a comment from one of our viewers. Sorry guys, I don't want to talk about Mars, but can we discuss about what is happening around us? There are people who doesn't even aware what is happening on our surroundings. I think there are a lot of news channels, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are only here to talk about. We are here only inviting people to the 1% club.
So one of the advantage of being Mars to be selected as the destination is it's very relatively close to Earth by
Yeah.
comparing to other planets.
Yes.
And
And
also scientists have found that there is availability of water.
yes, it's in the form of ice, but you can melt it.
Yeah, kind of.
Why are you smiling?
No. And also a day in Earth, a day in Mars is almost similar to Earth.
Yeah.
So
Yes,
I
it
think
is.
it will helps human to live,
To adapt.
adapt. Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, it's 24 hours and 39 minutes.
39,
So
extra
it is
39 minutes
for.
only there. Yeah.
Yeah, but a year would be, I think, 687 days. I don't know. Almost, almost 687 days. Can you just
Almost
687, 687 days would be 1 year in Mars.
Mars. Yeah. So people are going to get a long age.
People gonna be, yeah, maybe they're gonna be,
In
when come to Earth, they're gonna be just like half of
yeah.
the age.
So
But
that's
I don't
why
know
we
the
are
outcome.
saying age is just a number, right? So
Yeah, age
yeah,
is just number, and
yeah.
you have to also, and we will have a lower weight compared to Earth. I mean, if you are like a
So
100
so the
kilogram, you will be.
so the BMA will be changed there, right?
I mean, we have to change everything according to the mass gravity, but the mass will be same.
Anyway, by comparing to all other planets, Mars is the best for.
Mars is best suitable for
Yeah.
to live. I mean, Mars once had a river. I mean, that's what scientists say. I don't know. Once had a rivers and running water, and we have evidence for that. If we look at the Martian surface, we can see there were rivers once, and Mars had a magnetic field. Maybe I don't know how many years. So it is possible that anytime Earth can be in the same, you know, same position, it is possible the Earth can lose magnetic field. So if Earth lose magnetic field, we cannot live on the surface.
So how long would it take to travel to Mars?
I think it's depends on the position.
I
Usually
think,
takes 6 to 9 months.
yeah, but I think on an average, by using current technology, it takes around 6 to 9 months to reach
Yeah,
there.
but I think SpaceX is trying to reduce the time. I don't know how they're gonna reduce. Maybe
But
give it a.
comparatively, this is a long journey, right?
It is long journey, so the
And
ice
also
is very.
requires like of lot of planning, uh, right?
Yeah, I mean, the
Because
psychologists and
yeah,
the.
lot of supplies should be brought to there, and also we need protection from the radiation during the
Yes,
trip.
that
That is
yes,
so.
and we will be in zero gravity. That's another problem. But there's a solution, you know, to get gravity. But I don't know, is that possible or not? If we rotate the spaceship, we can get gravity. But I don't know. Maybe it require more energy. I don't know. That's possible. It shows in the movie. If you watch that movie, it's a really old movie. I don't remember the name. It's a really old movie, but it's a really good movie. Forget the name.
And some studies are saying that humans are trying to generate oxygen on Mars. So
Yeah, I
there is
told you,
a process called electrolysis, so which can
electrolysis.
yeah,
You can oxygen. I mean, if you look at the water, what is water? It's a H2O. So if you do electrolysis on water, you can, you know,
it's
how
the
do you
process
say,
of split water into hydrogen and oxygen, right?
and oxygen. Yes, but I told you
So why it can't be done in Earth?
we can do that. You can do that in your kitchen. You can split water and you can do that on your kitchen. It is really simple technique. I mean, you don't need to do that actually, but if you I told you, if you just melt the ice, it's gonna release a lot of oxygen. But I told you the atmosphere is very thinner, so it doesn't have
Currently,
ability to hold.
currently NASA is doing research on it. Let's see how.
I think Elon Musk once said we can nuke on Mars.
Sorry.
We can nuke on Mars.
Okay.
Nuclear bomb. We can drop nuclear bombs on 2 poles of Mars, and it's gonna melt. So if we try to increase some temperature in Mars, it is maybe possible to live.
And also for growing foods on the Mars, there is a lot of kind of technologies like hydroponics, aeroponics. So we are growing the plants without soil using nutrient-rich water, like that. So
Yeah, we can do that.
yeah, so I think we can grow food also there. But the main challenge is finding the water and maintaining a stable temperature, and
Yeah.
also creating an atmosphere with right amount of carbon dioxide, oxygen, and lights. Photosynthesis need all the things in a correct manner. So
Yeah.
maintaining those atmosphere is the hardest part, I think.
I think human will survive that. I hope. And we can extract water from you forget that. We can
Yeah.
extract water from the Martian surface.
Okay.
And what are the technologies are needed to survive on Mars? What do you think?
Technologies.
Yeah.
One is the communication to the earth. It should be
And why we cannot reduce the time? We're gonna take a fight. We cannot reduce the time.
I
It is
mean,
not possible.
no, the communication to the Earth.
Yeah, but it's gonna take a 5 to 20 minutes delay.
Delay.
Yeah,
Oh.
I mean, and you already know that how many times it takes sunlight to reach Earth.
Mm-mm-mm.
How much time?
Sorry.
How much time it takes sun sunlight to reach Earth?
So the light of, I think, I don't know. I'm not a.
I think 8 minutes.
It
Or
means.
yeah. So
So we are.
if
Uh,
sun disappear, you will not notice it for 8 minutes.
mm, and we are seeing the things 8 minutes late. No.
Yeah, it is it is because of the distance. You know the speed of light.
3 into
Speed
10 raised to 8 meter per second.
3 into I don't know. It's almost 300,000 in
Y-
1 second.
Yeah.
300,000 kilometer in 1 second.
Yeah, that's 3 into 10 raised to 8.
Okay, I don't know that.
I by heart during plus 2.
That's good. You still remember that?
Yeah.
I think one of our viewers saying expecting some sensible answer from you. I mean, could you tell me what is the question?
Minus 1% club. If you do
Mm,
1%
If
of how math is matching, please explain about the 1%. What is the equation you are following to 1%?
no, we want more people to join, right? Ways?
Yeah.
Yeah, we want more people to join. And we can do scientific discoveries on Mars, like search for a sign of an ancient microbial life. It is possible that once Mars comes.
The great thing about SpaceX is at least they are trying to achieve colonization Mars. So they are developing Starship. Uh, so
I think spaces can put people on Mars. I believe in Elon Musk.
so his vision is
I
to
think his
create a
vision,
self-sustaining city on Mars.
yeah. I mean, we can make a colonies on Mars. It is possible. It's not a big problem.
Yeah.
But I don't understand how people gonna walk on the surface of Mars. I mean, with a space suit. We have to be always space suit, helmet. Oh, I don't know. I
Yeah,
can't
that's why I
imagine.
told you that people will go for only just for and picnic and just for exploration. I
Yeah,
don't
maybe, yeah.
think they're gonna live there.
Maybe some people gonna live there for research purpose, scientific studies. I mean, we don't have to always wear suitcase, spacesuit on the Mars. I mean, when we have a controlled like a room or something, we don't need to. We
So
can transfer Mars into Earth for it's gonna take many years, but it is possible theoretically.
so I think it's time to wind up. What do you think?
Yeah, I think we're gonna take some questions from our viewers. Shelby wants to ask some question. Is he watching our live? No, he's not watching. Okay, when he come, let's talk about another subject. He doesn't like.
Then you are
Oh,
expecting
you're
out of total
expecting out
number
of
of
total.
was nearly part of how we look
Will you curate the whole number with the sound? I don't understand what he's talking about.
Yeah, same here.
1% of the people would be if we have 8 billion people on Earth. How much would be 1%? When you're expecting a number of living humans, one person will be part of this, or will you curate the world? I mean, let's invite Shabib to this 1% flag. Only Shabib, right? Okay, we have two people watching. Maybe it's Shabib. Shabib wants to ask a question. Why are you laughing? Is someone calling you?
No.
You're expecting
Seems
some.
voice bit confused. Okay, trying to figure out.
I'm also confused. Can you make a more clarification about the question?
Yeah. Let's come tomorrow with a detailed question.
Why do you want to end the life, bro?
So I think we can wind up. So hope you enjoyed the video, our live, and
Why
what
are you going mad? Someone joined our life.
we have discussed a lot of things about colonization in Mars, and will it be possible, and all the things. So
Tomorrow we're gonna come
yeah.
with another subject that
yeah, hope we can expect a
colonize Mars.
colonization on Mars. Maybe we can go to Mars
No,
in coming days.
would you go to Mars?
Hmm?
You go to Mars.
Of course, why don't?
What do you think? What if you have a family? What if you have a family? I mean,
Yeah, if they are interested, I will take them also.
no. What if they don't allow you to go?
They don't have to make a.
Shabib, come on, you can ask the questions, you know.
Next level English.
What?
He's mocking us.
He's smoking us.
Mocking.
Hey man, ask any questions, you know. If he can answer, we look on ChatGPT. Let's ask to Shabib, would you go to Mars if you get a chance?
So he's a great cloud engineer in the Bangalore city.
Yeah. He's
So
controlling all the
all
bad.
the clown.
All the cloud in the black.
No learning English from you. Taking notes. Don't stop.
No, learning English from you, taking notes. Let's talk about Shabib. Who is Shabib? Let's introduce our friend to our audience. Shabib is a great. He's from one of the best college.
Yeah.
Invite.
I'm left from the chat.
Bro, don't leave. Why do you leave? He's from one of the top from our college, and he's a cloud engineer. Technically he's controlling
And also
all the.
he could able to enjoy the college days with us.
Yeah, no, we were able to enjoy life with him.
Oh,
We were honored to spend time with him. And I think he's living closer to you
Yeah.
in the Bangalore. Where you looking, bro? Your friends wants to join?
No, no.
Oh, why
Just
he's looking?
mm,
Oh, bro, one person joined.
change subject, please.
Okay, he doesn't want to talk. Yeah, I told you he's a great guy, buddy. He's very humble guy.
So people are watching. Four people are watching the stream. Sorry
Yeah,
for
after I think we should not talk about Mars. Once we stop talking about Mars, the people are coming. Shabib, could you please suggest some subject? Okay, let's talk about Air India,
Air India.
the bomb. What was the question? Yeah, bomb threat. So his question, let's talk about his
Bomb
question.
threat for Air India from
Yeah.
Pakistani terrorists.
Did you hear that? Is that from Khalistani terrorists? Okay, I thought it's someone else. What do you think about that subject? I
Yeah.
think it's a great subject. I mean, it's good there's no bomb. If there's a bomb, it will be create fireworks. But we should not say that. Over 5 people are watching.
So let's wind up. We will be coming in next days with a great topic. So see you guys.